Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go. Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's get this session going. Hope everybody's having an amazing. What are we, Wednesday today? We are Wednesday. We're about to get into this charts here. Let me pull that up real quick. Hope everybody is having a good week so far. Hope everybody's having a good week so far. Let's just mark up real quick. See where we're at here. All right. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Let's get it. So obviously, just based off of the big trend yesterday, we obviously were looking for the pullback. We got the pullback overnight. Again, she did what I told you she was going to do. She's going to fall. Obviously, she didn't fall in the session that we were in. We were exactly where we were at yesterday. We were exactly at that point. We retested. We retested where she actually had that big pull. Okay, we retested, and now we're going to continue to climb. Okay, this would have been a great entry right here, but obviously we just jumped on. So 35,050 would have been an amazing entry. We would have been about 50 points in profit right now. And again, look at this. She's smacking off the zone right here. She's smacking off the zone. This is also a retest of break of structure. So just an amazing area. So again, I'd like to see if she comes back down. Obviously, that's about 50 points right there. For her to pull back within 50 points, I don't see her moving that fast right now. But again, we'll wait and see. But that's where I'm looking at. Is I'm looking between this zone here. So between the 75 zone and this 50 zone, if we can come back into that area, just an amazing area. Okay. And again, she did exactly what we said she was going to do, but she just didn't do it in the time frame that we wanted her to. She completely fell. Okay, she jumped all the way up here. She completely corrected all of that. She then retested this exact area that she was at yesterday. And she's retesting it, and she's going to continue to climb. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. We're about to get into the session. I love US30 so much. She hasn't been moving as fast as I'd like her to move. And so again, I definitely have been kind of thinking if I should dabble into maybe NAS 100, something like that. If you guys would be interested in that, but again, right now we're obviously sticking with our girl US30. That's all that we're trading right now, and that's all that we're looking at. Also, I have traded gold in the past. I've been pretty successful with gold as well. But again, US30, she just she's literally just. She's done what I needed her to do, and again, like I really enjoy. But again, her volume has not been very very big in the mornings, and so like she's just been consolidating a lot, and again, just not big moves, and so we've just been kind of waiting around for moves. But again, I'm going to be looking at getting in right here. And I'm going to keep this very simple, guys. Like I'm gonna definitely. What's going on, Reggie? What's going on, Ladonna? I'm going to keep it very simple in the sense of just I'm going to take one entry. And again, here's the deal, guys. Keep in mind that we're seeing all of this influx of all of these funded accounts, these prop accounts coming up because again, like we just see change happening. We see that people understand the power in these traders, and that when you learn this skill set, that if you have a lump sum of money, that you can literally bring on a trader and that person be able to make a lot of money for you, and that's what these prop accounts are seeing. Again, I would say after the announcement of my forex fund saying no more time limits, I've just been getting just bombarded with cot four, with just so many different prop accounts trying to just really kind of move in that same direction. So again, definitely very excited about really where we're going with this. And again, it all comes down to just discipline, consistency, and really understanding and learning the skill set. And once you do that, I'm telling you, it's life changing, it's game changing. And again, it'll provide whatever it is that you want. It's just a matter of the amount of time and how patient you are to put that time in to really make this work. To be a trader, to be a consistent trader. There's not a right or wrong, and that's the one thing is that there's no just this is the blueprint and follow this blueprint. Like you can really find your strategy, and you can really figure out a strategy that works for you, and roll with that. So we're about to get in right now. We're about to get in. That would have been a great area, but I was chatting. I was too busy chit chatting, so I missed it. So if we come back down here, I will get in. So we got 330 left on this candle. Come back down here. Come back down here. All right, here we go. We're about to get in. Come on down. Come on down. Come down. There we go. Come down. Just a little bit more. Come down. Just a little bit more. She shot back up. All right, so I want to fill some of this wick here. So I want to come down and come down into this level here. So if we can get down close to this 35,075, we're about 20 points away from that. So again, even if we can get half of that, again, I don't mind a 10-point pullback at all. Like I said yesterday, I believe that we're going to still continue to climb. I was waiting for this drop yesterday, but again, it didn't happen. She corrected, but just not in the time frame that we were looking at, and that's okay. It happens. We'll be okay this morning. And again, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's really just the content that's coming out. Just again, the trading game has just changed. There's so much opportunity in it. There's so many just different ways that you can trade, and so many different avenues that you can go. I like to actually work the charts myself. Some people, again, with obviously AI and things like that, there's a lot of bots, and I know I don't mind bots, but at the end of the day, I like automation. But as long as I know how automation works, and as long as I know, what the algorithm is and why it's taking the trade that it's taking, if it's losing, I want to know why it's losing. Again, I don't want to just accept, oh, it lost today. At least I know when I take a lesson, I know why I took a lesson. You know what I mean? I know every time that, why I took a lesson. And I'm able to make that correction myself. When it's a bot or it's automated, there's just no way to obviously correct that. You're not in charge of that. It's usually not yours. You're obviously depending on somebody else and somebody else's technology, things like that. So again, I like to just be able to come on, and again, very simple. And obviously, just reading bodies of candles, reading wicks of candles, reading, you know, different levels. Obviously, with US30, trading on the institutional levels, the bank zones. Again, these are all part of the strategy that I've come to utilize and use, and many of you have as well. I trade on a 5 minute, some trade on a 1 minute, some trade on 3 minute. So again, there's not a right or wrong. So I'm about to get in right now. I'm going to get in right now. All right, perfect. I'm in. And again, I'm just opening up one trade right now. You know what? I'm going to open up another one as well, just because she sat there and allowed me to. So modify 10 points. So I'm going to take this to 35, 100, 35, 100. Great. And I'm going to set these at 10 points, and then I'm going to get out. And then I'm going to get back in, and I'm going to get out. So again, I'm going to be very consistent. You know what I mean? I'm going to be very consistent because, again, I feel like I've been leaving profits on the table. I truly believe that just waiting for her to jump and go higher and go higher, I've been leaving profits on the table. So I'm going to grab my 10. I'm going to get out. I'm going to reset, grab my 10, get out, and, hopefully do that about 3 times. That'll be about 6 trades. We can do that. That'll be about 60-point moves. And that's it. That's our 1%. All right. So we are in profit right now. We are 3 points in profit right now. And again, there's no problem. There we go. Let's go. And there's no problem closing these out as well. You know what I mean? So again, like obviously, she didn't hit my tape. She didn't hit my TP. But we're very close to it. So if I wanted to close out right now, I'm definitely, able to do so. She hasn't hit my TP, but she's very close. And again, I'm okay with obviously, I don't need to take the whole profit. So again, I'm going to kind of push the close button, and I'm going to wait for her to come up into an area that is comfortable. If she slams up into my TP, then great, we're done. Come on. Oh, then she fell. So again, that's why I'm not going to leave profit on the table here. Come on, get back up there. Let's go. And again, guys, I hope that obviously what I do brings value to you guys. Just really being able to watch what I do, being able to watch, really, what the strategy is, and be able to talk through kind of what those strategies are as well. Again, I'm not an educator by no means. I simply have just been at this game now for almost 4 years, and really just found a way to win more than I lose, and that's the whole name of the game, is winning more than you lose. And again, not even losing, but just taking lessons. And again, like I said, if I can recognize why I take the lessons that I do, and then obviously sharpen those skills, daily, then that's what I'm here to do. So I'm going to go ahead and close these out. Boom, closed 1 out. Boom, closed 2 out. So we're 2-0, 2-0, 2-0 on the session. Okay, I'm going to be patient and wait for her to drop back down. Okay. So again, if we can find an area that we can consolidate and we can obviously just kind of play the wave, then that's what we'll do. But we're 2-0, 2-0 on the morning. If she jumps past and breaks a zone, like if she breaks this here, then obviously we'll wait for that retest. But again, I'm going to wait for this retest down because obviously this wick here. Okay, so again, if she comes down into this wick here, okay, then obviously I'll get back in. So we're just going to be patient and wait again. If we can do this 3 times, just 3 setups, then obviously, again, we're a third of a way to our 1% right now. So again, we're just waiting for her to drop back down. We got 41 seconds left on this candle. 41 seconds left on this candle. Let me go into my YouTube, make some changes here really quick while we're waiting. All right. All right, so we're just waiting for her to drop back down. Waiting for her to drop back down into this zone right here. Waiting for her to drop back down into this zone right here. Wait for her to come back down into the zone here. Come back down into the zone here. And we're going to get back in. Come back down a little bit further. Okay, come back down. Come down a little bit further. Oh, come on, come down a little bit further. Should have jumped up. All right, let's just be patient here. So we got 2 minutes left on this candle. So let's see if we can come down. See what this next 2 minutes does. What's going on, Sam? Man, what's good? We need to catch up, brother. We need to catch up. Man, I've been so busy. We need to do this podcast. We need to set that up. Oh, you know what? Right after this, I'm gonna send you a message, and we'll schedule it. We'll schedule it for next week, and we're just gonna get on and just chat it up. Just chop it up. Just obviously share your story. But yeah, I'm gonna right after this session, I'm gonna send you an invite to a calendar, and we'll get that booked for next week for sure. Let's do it. I definitely love to hear what's going on with the US30 group, Dow Jones. What the horizon looks like, what the next next 6, 12, 18 months looks like for obviously the community. See what's going on. All right, so here's the deal. This is where I'm looking at. Looking for her to come into this zone. Looking for her to come into this zone. Looking for her to come into this zone. We're already 2-0. We're already 2-0. We're just waiting for her to come back down, retest. Come back down, retest. We're going to get in. Come back down, retest, and we're going to get in. Two and 0 already on the session. And again, guys, it's all about leverage. It's all about leveraging properly. Like I said, with time frames going away in these evaluations, there's no hurry. This is not a sprint. We do not have to go as fast as we can. We do not have to make as much money as we possibly can today. It's about a marathon. It's about being able to be sustainable, to be able to do it consistently. Not how much can you make today, but how much can you make consistently over the next 12 months? You know, can you be profitable, okay, in the next 30 days? Okay, I don't care if you're profitable today. Can you do that consistently over and over and over and over and over and over and over? So again, that's where a boxer comes in. And that's where the boxer mentality comes in. Okay? Is that jab, 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 jab. And then obviously, you know, there are times when we can obviously see an opportunity to take that right hook or to take that big power punch. But I'm telling you, if we lead with the power punch, we're going to get beat and we're going to lose. Okay. So again, obviously she pulled up. We're gonna readjust. We're gonna readjust. We're gonna move this up here. Move this up here. Okay. We're obviously still waiting for a retest. And again, guys, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Yesterday, I told you she was going to correct. It wasn't a matter of if she was going to correct, because she's always going to correct, but it's a matter of when she's going to correct. And so again, we were anticipating a correction sooner. We were anticipating a correction sooner than later, and it just didn't happen that way. Just didn't happen that way. Come on down. Come on down. I want her to come down a little bit more, guys. There we go. I'm in. I'm in. Perfect. And now we're just going to wait for a little climb. Let's set these at 10 points. Modify. Okay. And we're going to do this 2 more times. We're going to do this 1 more time, and then we're going to be at our 1%, okay? So again, we set at 10 points. That's going to be 40 points that we got total. We do it 1 more time, we're at our 1%. That's consistency, and that's what we're going to do, okay? So again, we just need her to jump 10 points. We're going to grab our 10 points, and we're done, okay? And then we're going to reset. We're going to wait for that retest again, and we're going to get back in, all right? So we're 3 points in profit right now. 3 points in profit. And again, keep in mind, guys, if she doesn't give me the full 10, I don't need to take the full 10. If she gives me 8, 7, 8, anywhere around there, and I know what that number is. I know what that number is. Okay, I will get out. All right, I'm already in close position right now. I already pushed close. So again, if she comes up, I see where my TP is. If she comes up, I'll get out. And I'm okay with that. Even if it's 5 points, even if I can get out with the 5-point profit. But again, here's the deal. I've been leaving too much profit on the table. I've been leaving too much profit on the table, and I'm done doing that. I'm going to get what she gives me. Come on up. Come on up. Just a little bit more. Boom. I'm out. Boom. 4-0, baby. 4-0. Nice. 4-0. Let's wait for that retest. And we're going to get that 1% bag today. Wait for that retest. And that retest area is about the 100. 35-100 area. 35-105. Boom. Retest. Boom. I'm in. Boom, I'm in. Okay, modify. 117, I'm in at 107. We're going to modify to 117. Modify. 107, 117. Get our 10 points. Boom, we're done. These two trades, we're done for the session. 1% for the day. That's all that we need. 1% for the day. That's all that we need, guys. That's it. Obviously, as you can see here, if you can't see this trend, if you can't see this uptrend with your eyes, and you need indicators, you need to get better at, obviously with just a naked eye, being able to see what direction we're going. Okay, like I said, right here. This was yesterday. This was yesterday, guys. This was yesterday. Okay, we were anticipating her to continue to drop down after this big. She did not. She continued to climb up. She went up. She went up 100 points. She went up 100 points. She went up 100 points. Okay, she then fell back down. She corrected all of this move. Okay, now she's retesting that area. She's now going to continue to climb. She's now going to continue to climb. Okay, that's what we were waiting on yesterday. Is we were waiting for this drop, retest in this area. We're waiting for this drop, retest off of this zone here, and continue to climb. But she didn't. She continued to climb. She then retested. But look what she did this morning. What'd she do? She retested off of that zone that I told you she was going to retest off of. And that's just with the naked eye, guys. That's just flat out with the naked eye, just looking at it with my eye. No indicators, simply just marked up with bank zones. Okay? What did she do? She broke right here. She broke right here. There's break of support. Break of support. She broke a ceiling right here. She then retested it. She then shot up. What did she then do? She came all the way back down and retested it. She came back all the way back down. She retested it. And now she's going to continue to climb. So we're on a pullback right now. We're on a pullback right now of literally 10 points. 10-point pullback. Okay, 10-point pullback. Okay. If I was greedy, I would open up a new position right now. But at the end of the day, guess what? I'm not going to over leverage. I got 2 trades open. We're waiting for her to pull back up. Okay. Obviously, if she breaks zones here, okay, she can continue to fall, correct. But again, we're just retesting. That's all that we're doing right now. We're just retesting. That's all that we're doing right now. Okay. 15-point pullback. She respected that zone. She respected that zone. Now we wick and now we climb. Okay. You know what? I'm tempted right now to get in here, right here. I'm tempted right here to get in. You know what? I did open up a new position right there. Opened up a new position right there. Let's go. Climb up. Let's go, US30. We've got 25 seconds left on this candle. 25 seconds left on this candle. 25 seconds left on this candle. Let's go, US30. Boom. Let's go. Just open up a new candle. And again, guys, I hope this all makes sense to me. Don't overcomplicate this. I think we tend to get in our own way. We tend to overthink this. We tend to think that there's a blueprint. But it's more of really the blueprint is consistency, discipline, no emotion, being consistent in your trading. Okay, that's the blueprint. The blueprint has nothing to do with how I trade. The blueprint is my mindset. The blueprint is really what your attitude is about this chart. Your blueprint is really about your attitude coming to winning and losing. Okay, I don't lose. I may take a lesson, but I know why I took the lesson. The lesson is always because of my own doing. The lesson has nothing to do with the chart. The lesson has nothing. It's my own doing. Yesterday I made a decision. I took a lesson. Very simple though. But then again, here's the deal. Here's the deal. We're back on track. We have a new day. We have a new chart. We have a new. Everything's new today. It's a new beginning. Yesterday's gone. Do you know what I mean? Let's go. You always have big things going. Yes, sir. So again, we are in profit on one trade. We're in profit on one trade. Once we close out of these trades, guys, we are done for this session. We are 33 minutes into the session. We're obviously going to start being a little bit more patient. We're going to start being a little bit more precise, a lot more consistent. Okay. Like I said yesterday, we went against the trend. The trend is your friend. Okay. We should have stuck to what, and again, like I said, guys, I can go back and look at why I took the lesson I did. Very simple. You know what I mean? But a lot of times people take lessons, they start doubting themselves, they start questioning, gosh, maybe trading's not for me. No, it's the decision that you made. And it's all choices, it's all decision. But she could go one of two ways. She can either go up or down. One or two ways, up or down. Okay, I'm going to take a bag on this trade that I'm. Okay, just took a $130 bag. I have two trades that are open right now. I'm already at 1%. I need these two trades. If these trades close in $10 profits, great. I'm already at 1%. Okay, I'm already at 1% as a result of that last trade. There we go. Let's go. Climb up. Okay, I do have these set for 10 points. I don't need the full 10 points though, to be honest, because I'm already at 1%. I'm already at 1% on this account. I don't need the full 10 points. So I'm going to get out when I'm comfortable getting out. I already pushed the close button. I already held down, pushed close, and I'm just waiting for her to get into a zone that I'm comfortable closing out of. And then I'll go back into the other one and I'll do the same thing. Again, I'm in complete control, guys. Stop letting these charts be in control. You are in control of your trade. You're in control. Control your money. Control your bag. We're on a pullback right now. We're okay. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Let's go. Let's be done. Let's be done. Take your time. Again, we're going to be patient and wait. We're going to be patient and wait. And again, guys, like I said earlier, Okay, obviously right now we trade nothing but US30. US30, the volume hasn't necessarily been there. Look at these small wicks, look at these small candles. Again, just the movements have not been as big as usual. Okay, if you look at it, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. And let's go back to this 4 hour, for example. Okay. Or this hour. Look at this. Look at these small volumes. Look at the small volume. Okay. Okay, look at this. Look at the small volume. Okay, then we have big moves. Look at this consolidation. And that's what US30 has been doing. But that's where the economy's been doing as well. The economy's in a very weird spot right now. Okay. The economy's in a very weird spot right now. Okay. A lot of just different things going on. Boom, I'm done. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-0 on the day. We are done. But again, the economy's in a very, very, very weird spot. Okay. So again, consolidation. But look at the size of these candles. We can't get a bag with those size of candles. You know what I mean? It's very difficult and challenging to catch a move. Look at this. This is a big move. Boom. We want big candles. We want big volume. Okay. And that's why obviously trading closer to that opening bell is puro, is great, is amazing. Okay. But again, my schedule has kind of been a little, especially Mondays and Wednesdays. Actually for the next week or so, we obviously have to make some adjustments, but hopefully if I can get in between that 8:30 candle and that 9 o'clock candle, we can get the movement that we need to get a quick bag in and out. But again, anything after that, she just doesn't have the movement and we get caught. Okay. So again, we obviously have to adjust, okay, as the market adjusts. Also, there's a lot of other, indices. NAS 100, okay, is an amazing Gold's so damn manipulated. I every time that I've traded gold, like she'll spike and she'll do crazy shit. It's just so manipulated. Gold has become so manipulated. So again, I hesitate on gold. If there's anything that I open up and trade, it would be NAS 100 because they move. US30 and NAS, they move very similar. Okay, so if you can catch a bag on US30, you can usually catch a bag on NAS as well. Okay, so again, like I said, it's very important that we diversify, and again, just really look at where can we get bags. What can we venture off and do? But again, like I said, guys, it's all about consistency, discipline. Okay, and again, there's no specific order. It's however you want to fit that in. Then obviously the emotion. Okay, we did not have the greatest week last week, but again, like I've had an amazing year. I've had amazing months. So to have a bad week, what's a bad week? What's a bad week? Because I had a bad week trading money. You know what a bad week is? You know what a bad week is? Man, people don't have food. People don't have shelter. People are homeless. Like, other countries getting bombed. Like, that's a bad week. Like, me being able to trade and losing money in the stock market, profit at that. Because at the end of the day, keep in mind, anything at this point, being in this game for 4 years, I'm no longer trading my money. I've made thousands. So again, like to take a lesson 1 week, it's profit. Do you know what I mean? I'm already up. I'm still up. You know what I mean? So again, like that's what you have to look at, guys, is stop looking at, if you focus on the skill set and you focus on learning the skill set, I'm telling you, it will change your life. But if you don't focus on the skill set, it can ruin your life. If you don't focus on the skill set and you're looking at that quick, you don't have any delayed gratification. You're looking at that quick bag. How much can I make today? You're going to get frustrated and you're going to quit. Okay, stop looking at this to pay your bills today. Look at this as an opportunity to change your life tomorrow. And that's facts. That's straight up facts. You know what I mean? If you're looking at get quick rich, this is not the way. But if you're looking at something that can truly change your life, You're looking at something that can truly impact cultures, impact, uh, really legacy, generational wealth to open up other doors, open up businesses. Okay, like I said, change zip codes. Okay, buy different brands of cars. Children in different schools learn the skill set. Stay grounded and learn the skill set. Stop rushing it. So again, guys, I am out. Stay tuned. San, I'm going to get that over to you. I'm going to go in and actually, get the. I need to make some changes to the Calendly, but I'll get that Calendly over. We'll look at next week, early part of next week, and literally, man, we'll just have a conversation. Good hour and a half, and we'll just get it out for the world to hear. Again, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your support. All I'm simply doing at this point is documenting. This is not content creation. This is just documenting my story. This is literally just turning the camera on and just sharing what I do. Because regardless of whether it's on this camera or not, I would be trading this morning. Okay. So again, all I simply did is turned on the camera and I'm talking to you guys and sharing my journey. And that's what you guys need to do. Stop content creating and start documenting. Turn the camera on, start sharing your story with people. People need to hear your story. They want to hear your story. They want to see you win. They also want to see you take lessons. And they want to see how you come back from that lesson. But again, guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Appreciate the support. And I will see you guys in the morning. Okay. Tomorrow is Thursday. We will be on closer to the I'm going to try to get on as close to 8:30, 8:45, because again, that's where the movement is. We have to adjust. Okay. But again, guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless each and every one of you. And we'll see you guys at the top, because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And we need to start lifting some people up. We need to start reaching down. We need to start helping people. Those around us, starting with really our own sphere and our own circles. But again, thank you guys. God bless. Have an amazing day. See you guys in the morning. Take care. Bye-bye. We're out.